Windows 10 installation bug accidentally forces user to buy Microsoft 365. Windows 10 has again started displaying a full screen pop-up that takes up the whole screen similar to the first boot experience. And the attempts to sell Microsoft 365, the pop-up itself isn't new, but there catch a bug in Windows 11 22 prevents user from escaping the Microsoft 365 offer, which means they are asked to enter credit card details. The full screen hack, which is occasionally posed by the company once in a while, attempts to promote Microsoft services such as OneDrive and Microsoft 365. This is a part of the company efforts to make Windows even better by helping customers discover the above mentioned services. It also attempts to link your Android phone to Windows 10 and pushes user to sign into their Microsoft account. As mentioned at the outset, Windows 10 full screen pop-ups have been around for years and we are first ported in the 2018 when the company enthusiastically hoped to hook up and your PC and your account with other Microsoft services. Microsoft has shipped the Windows 10 22 with an undocumented bug where user could be forced to enter their credit card details for Microsoft 365 trial. When you are on the startup screen on first boot experience screen, you will have two options for Microsoft 365 offer: try for free and no thanks. The no thanks button should ideally skip and the Microsoft 365 registration and proceed to the next screen. But there a bug where the no thanks button opens a registration window. A Microsoft sources who wish to remain anonymous confirm that this movement isn't intentional and is a bug. The company accidentally switched over the strings for no thanks with try for free. In other words, the try it button is actually no thanks and no thanks is a sign up button. The button are simply flipped due to a bug. A source confirm you can go back to the previous screen and skip the offer by selecting the other button, or you can always disconnect from internet when setting up Windows 10. Microsoft has yet to acknowledge the problem, but we expect it to be fixed in a future community update. For those unaware, Windows 10 is supported until at least October 2025 and it will continue to receive feature and improvements including a fix for this particular issue highlighting above. In related news, Microsoft experimenting with a full screen pop-up to convenience user to try Windows 11 for free. The full screen pop-up has four slides attempting to promote Windows 11 new flagship features such as the start menu and redesigned notification center.